Good night. My name is Gutierrez. Date April 10, 2022. Unit 2, Step 3, Identify Technology Value. Tutor Enrique Tatiana Gómez. Unit 2, Step 3, Identify Technology Value. Little knowledge of valuation method by technology manager in the process. Causes: lack of training, new valuation methods, lack of manager experience, search of specialists, ignorance of the procedure. Consequence: delays in the evaluation process, not complete with requirements, information shared with third parties, cost increases, unnecessary paperwork. Name: Darío Gutiérrez. Growth 65. Day April 10, 2022. Recommendation: increasing the training in administrative and economic matters of the industries can for the advance in the evaluation of the technologies. Seek that organizations have specialists who advance them when evaluation technology. This will facilitate the process. Thank you.